Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, D. So for today's video guys, we're going to make some cake with the kunafa and pistachio and chocolate. We have also here our cocoa guys. So we're beating some egg on it and putting some salt. We have also our all-purpose powder. So I'm just preparing something for my husband, guys. Last time I make some cupcake. The same way also how I am making this now. So inshallah it will be more better this time because I'm adding some kunafa since it's Ramadan. Ramadan Kareem everyone. So I'm adding some kunafa on it and chocolate. So let's put our cocoa. Now we're going to put the cocoa guys. So they really love here in Egypt the kunafa. So we're going to try also the kunafa we did. It's every Ramadan guys. They really love it. It's very famous the kunafa guys in Ramadan. So it's a little bit light guys the cocoa here in Egypt. Most of the product here guys is local brands. Unlike in Philippines, we all have the international brands like that. Here they love to use their own brands. That's also very good thing. So they are having more strong product that they can export to other country. So I just keep doing these things. Let's see how is the finish. It should be like this. Wow. It should be like this guys. So we're going to put it here into our cooking thing. Then we will put just a little. Then later we're going to cook our kunafa with our pistachio. Then the chocolate will be the last. So my husband for sure, he will be so happy guys. Inshallah, inshallah. In Ramadan guys, you should make more sweets. Last night we just make some atay. It's also one common sweet every Ramadan here in Egypt. They really love that atay. Even every day we're eating atay. This you can put also some chocolate in the atay guys. In this Ramadan, everyone is eating really too much sweets guys. I really love the sweet already, but I don't know here the sweet in Egypt it's so much. In the different level guys. You will really love the sweet here in Egypt. Even I cannot even control myself eating sweets guys. Every day I'm eating the atay. My goodness. And we just made this one. Wait. We just made it's kunafa. And we just put some sugar on it and it's so delicious guys, and some sugar syrup and it's so delicious. And this is very simple thing. It's just kunafa like this guys, and we just put it there here and put some butter, sugar powder, then I just make some syrup to make it in the end before you eat it. It's so delicious guys. So now I'm going to make some cupcake with the kunafa and chocolate. This is it guys, kunafa. It's so good. Guys, we're just finished doing this. I really love to make some sweet guys. I've learned some of this from my sister-in-law because you know they love to cook every time for their husband. You really need to learn to cook something if you get married with the Egyptian guys. They really love to eat. And also you will learn something new and it's very interesting also. I was living in UAE before, and I don't really have that much of time to do so much of things. So here in Egypt, I got more time, guys. So this, I am also learning some of the things from my aunt-in-law. Just put like this, guys. So later it will just pop, and we can put our kunafa. We will cook this first, so they will like it. I want also them to try a lot of things, something like this, like Dubai chocolate. I am planning to do a Dubai chocolate, guys. It's so delicious as well. So like this one, just put little, guys, so it's so good. So not only Egyptian can do these things, guys, even Filipino also can cook. Everyone can cook, can bake, guys. It's easy. Everything is there in all the platform. You can watch how to do things in all the ways. This generation is more easier. Yellow, guys. We can do a lot of cake today. It's a lot. I'll show you guys later how it will be, what will be the result, and I'll show you what will my husband reaction tasting this. Our cupcake kunafa chocolate. I don't know how you call that. I'm the one will give the name now. Cupcake kunafa chocolate. Ta-da! I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm done for my cupcake for today. So this is it, guys, the moment of truth. So I'm gonna call my husband to try it, inshallah. Yani. He will
no
like
need
it.
to call me, habibi. I come for the smell. The smell already, it's reaching to the end of the street.
So let's
wow!
try this one.
I get already with my spoon.
It's ready.
Yes. What is this?
So, this is a cupcake with kunafa with chocolate.
Cupcake with kunafa with chocolate.
With chocolate.
Wow, yeah, the sugar today is very high.
The kunafa have pistachio also.
Tab, let me to try because I'm excited. How I will eat this one? I will remove this or how?
Just make some.
What
like
is this design? Wow, I am
like
so lucky. Let me to try,
Thank
Habib.
you.
Give me.
Like that.
Allah.
Okay. Try it.
Aywa. Wait.
Tell me the truth, huh?
They have chocolate also.
Aywa.
Nutella or what?
Chocolate.
Wait,
How is
Habibi, wait.
Allah.
Nice. Awi.
Allah, really?
Very nice. And the sugar also is amazing. You like
Nice
that? I
level.
don't like much sugar.
Not nice?
Very nice.
Later,
Very nice.
we have also here the cupcake with kunafa only. Cupcake with kunafa. And this just a cupcake.
You are the one made this alone?
Yes.
Really?
This was in the afternoon, the kunafa only.
That very nice,
We
Hadid.
have a lot of dessert for today.
Yeah, I want to also, my family will come later tonight.
Really?
My sister and my family, they will try this one.
Okay, they are welcome to try it.
I was a little bit worried about I will buy for them something, but this is amazing. This is my first time to test like that. Thank you, Hadidi. Thank you. And welcome to Egypt, Habib Albi. Very, very nice.
Mia, 100%.
100%.
That's it, guys. See you on my next vlog, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.